Westin Strong. Paul is speaking my help.
Good morning. May I speak to Mr. Ram Adi?
Who's calling, please?
My name is Muhammad Iksan Aprijal from BBC.
Could you spell your last name for me?
My name is Muhammad Iksan Aprijal.
Muhammad Iksan Aprijal, right?
Yes, you're right.
One moment, please. Well, sorry, Mr. Muhammad Aprijal, Mr. Ram Adi, it's not available at the moment. Would you like to leave a message?
Of course. Please ask Miss Ram Adi to call me at 085722285570.
Okay, let me repeat your message. You want Mr. Ramadi to call you at 085722285570.
That's right.
I'm eating English. Here now. Hello, Mr. Ramadi. It's name Paul. I want to confess that there is message for Mr. Isan.
Oh, okay. What's the message?
The message is that he wants you to call him on the number 087522855570.
Okay, thank you for telling me, Mr. Paul.
You are welcome.